Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. If you are new to the field of business analysis or just curious about how the businesses make better decisions, you are in the right place. In this video, we are diving into a few concepts from BABOK version 3 and breaking it down into simple terms so anyone can follow along. Ready? Let's jump in. According to BABOK version 3, business analysis is a set of tasks and techniques used to work as a liaison among stakeholders to understand the structure, policies, and operations of an organization and to recommend solutions that enable the organization to achieve its goals. So, what does it mean exactly? Let me break it down for you. It is a set of actions and tools used to study and improve how a business works. The analyst acts as a bridge helping different people like employees, managers, and customers understand each other. They analyze how the company is organized, what rules it follows, and how it runs daily activities. After understanding the business, they suggest changes or improvements to help the company perform better and reach its objectives. In short, business analysis ensures everyone is on the same page and helps the organization find better ways to succeed. Let's make this easier with an example. Imagine that you are working for a supermarket chain. They realize that they have been losing customers recently and they ask you, the business analyst, to help out. Here is how you would approach it. Task plus techniques. You might run customer surveys or analyze sales data to find patterns. Liaison among the stakeholders. You will talk to store managers, customers, and marketing teams to gather insights. 3. Understand structure, policies, and operations. You will study how the stores are organized, what policies they have for pricing, and how they run promotions. Recommend solutions. Based on your analysis, you might suggest introducing online delivery options or loyalty programs to win back customers. This is how business analysts work, ensuring everyone is aligned and finding solutions to help the business succeed. Now let's talk about the business analysis core concept model, BACCM, which is at the heart of BABOK. So basically it has 6 core concepts and these concepts are all equally important. Here they are. 1 is change. Change is nothing but a transformation within an organization in response to a need. 2. Need. A problem or opportunity that needs to be addressed is a need. 3. Solution. Solution is nothing but a way to satisfy that need. 4. Stakeholder. Stakeholder is anyone who is interested in the change. For example, employees, customers, partners, or investors. Value. The benefit that the change brings to the stakeholders. Context. The circumstances that affect or are affected by the change. So let's go back to the supermarket example to see how these fit in. Need. Customers are leaving the store is a need. Change. You introduce a new loyalty program to bring them back. That's a change. Solution. The new loyalty program meets the business need is a solution to it. Stakeholder. Here the store managers, customers, and marketing teams are all involved. Those are the stakeholders. Value. Customers come back and sales increase. Everyone will get benefited. That's a value. Context. This change might be influenced by competitor pricing or market trends. As you can see, these 6 concepts, change, need, solution, stakeholder, value, and context, work together to create effective business solutions. And that's it. I hope this video gave you a good understanding of a few concepts from BABOK version 3 and how business analysts help companies solve problems and achieve their goals. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.